Hey there, honey enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by the golden goodness of honey? Well, get ready to be amazed, because today we're taking a sweet journey into the fascinating world of honey production. From the humble honeybee to your breakfast table, we'll uncover the secrets behind how this delectable nectar is made. So, grab a spoon and get ready to dip into the sticky sweetness as we explore the captivating process of how honey is made, right from the flower to the jar. But before we dive into the sticky details, let's take a moment to appreciate the centuries-old love affair humans have had with honey. From ancient civilizations to modern-day foodies, honey has been cherished for its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits. Now let's uncover the extraordinary story of how this liquid gold is created by the tiny heroes of the insect world, bees. So without further ado, let's buzz into our first section, the bees and their hive. Welcome to the buzzing heart of honey production. Here in the hive, a bustling community of bees works together to create nature's sweetest gift. Let's meet our cast of characters. First up, we have the queen bee, the ruler of the hive. She's the only female capable of laying eggs, and her sole purpose is to ensure the hive's survival. Next, we have the worker bees, the backbone of the colony. These industrious females tirelessly perform a variety of tasks, from nursing the young to collecting nectar. Lastly, we have the drones, the male bees who have one primary duty, to mate with the queen. Now let's focus on the incredible job of the worker bees. These hard-working ladies venture out into the world in search of nectar, the raw material for honey production. Equipped with their long tongues known as proboscis, they expertly extract nectar from flowers. But here's the fascinating part. While they're busy sipping nectar, bees inadvertently collect pollen on their hairy bodies. As they move from flower to flower, they unintentionally transfer this pollen, aiding in plant fertilization and the continuation of nature's cycle. But how do bees communicate the location of these sweet nectar sources to their fellow workers? Well, they have an incredible language of their own, a waggle dance. By waggling their bodies and making specific movements, bees can convey precise directions to the most abundant nectar-filled flowers. Now that we've met the bees and learned about their incredible teamwork and communication, it's time to follow them on their nectar-gathering adventures. Join me in the next section, where we'll witness the enchanting process of collecting nectar and see how it transforms into delicious honey. Welcome to the colorful world of nectar collection. Our worker bees are on a mission to gather the sweetest nectar from a variety of vibrant flowers. Let's delve into their fascinating process. Equipped with their proboscis, these incredible insects expertly suck the nectar from the blossoms. It's like sipping nature's own sugary drink. But there's more to it than meets the eye. As bees collect nectar, they also unintentionally collect pollen on their fuzzy bodies. This pollen acts as a crucial ingredient in pollination, aiding in the reproduction of plants. As our industrious worker bees hop from flower to flower, they unknowingly transfer pollen, fertilizing the plants and enabling them to produce fruits, seeds, and more beautiful flowers. But how do bees decide which flowers to visit? Well, they have a keen sense of smell and are attracted to flowers with bright colors, enticing scents, and abundant nectar reserves. It's like a floral buffet for our buzzing friends. Now, here's where their incredible communication skills come into play. Back at the hive, returning worker bees perform intricate dance moves, known as the waggle dance, to communicate the location and quality of the nectar-rich flowers they've discovered. By dancing, these clever bees convey information about the direction, distance, and even the richness of the nectar source to guide their fellow workers to the best spots. And off they go, following the dance instructions and embarking on their own nectar-gathering journeys. These journeys not only provide sustenance for the hive, but also play a vital role in the pollination of countless plant species. As we bid farewell to our buzzing friends in the field, we now have a deeper understanding of the remarkable process of nectar collection. But how does this sweet nectar transform into the rich golden honey we all love? Stay tuned for the next section, where we'll explore the magical alchemy that occurs inside the hive, turning nectar into liquid gold. Welcome to the hive, where the transformation from nectar to honey takes place. inside this bustling sanctuary, our worker bees work their magic to turn the gathered nectar into the delectable treat we know as honey. Let's unveil the enchanting process. Once our diligent workers return to the hive, they regurgitate the collected nectar into the honeycomb cells. Yes, you heard that right. They regurgitate it. During this regurgitation, bees add special enzymes to the nectar. These enzymes break down complex sugars into simpler sugars, such as glucose and fructose, making it easier to digest and preserving the nectar. Now here's where things get really interesting. The bees fan their wings vigorously to create airflow, causing moisture in the nectar to evaporate. This reduction in moisture content is crucial for the honey to achieve its thick, sticky consistency. The bees continue this process until the nectar's moisture level reaches around 18%. At this point, it magically transforms into honey, a stable and long-lasting food source for the hive. To protect their precious honey, the bees seal the honeycomb cells with beeswax. This acts as a natural barrier, keeping the honey safe from moisture, contaminants, and unwanted visitors. Temperature also plays a crucial role in honey production. Bees maintain the hive's temperature around 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius, which helps accelerate the moisture evaporation process and ensures the honey's quality. The incredible alchemy of regurgitation, enzymatic action, and moisture evaporation, orchestrated by our dedicated worker bees, results in the golden treasure we call honey. It's truly a testament to their remarkable instincts and teamwork. Now that we've witnessed the enchanting transformation from nectar to honey, our journey is far from over. In the next section, we'll explore how beekeepers harvest and process this liquid gold to bring it from the hive to our tables. Get ready for a sweet adventure. Welcome to the world of beekeepers, where the art of honey harvesting and processing takes place. These dedicated individuals work hand in hand with our buzzing friends to bring that sweet liquid gold from the hive to our homes. Let's dive into the process. Before the honey can be harvested, the first step is to calm the bees. Beekeepers use a gentle smoke to calm them, ensuring a safe and smooth operation. Once the bees are calm, the beekeeper carefully removes the honeycombs from the hive. These honeycombs are filled with the precious honey created by the bees. To extract the honey, beekeepers use specialized equipment called honey extractors. These machines use centrifugal force to spin the honeycombs, causing the honey to separate from the wax and drip down. As the honey is extracted, beekeepers take extra care not to harm the bees or disturb the hive structure. They prioritize the bees' well-being while ensuring a bountiful harvest. Once the honey is extracted, it's time to remove any impurities and ensure its smooth texture. Beekeepers strain the honey to remove any bits of beeswax, bee parts, or other debris that may have come along during the extraction process. With the honey now purified, it's ready for packaging. Beekeepers carefully pour the honey into jars or bottles, ensuring proper sealing to maintain its freshness. Labeling is an essential step, providing important information such as the honey's origin, floral source, and even the beekeeper's details. It helps consumers make informed choices and appreciate the unique qualities of different types of honey. Once packaged, the honey is ready for distribution. Some beekeepers sell their honey locally at farmers markets, while others may distribute it to stores or participate in global trade, spreading the sweetness of their bees' hard work. And there you have it. From the hive to your table, the dedicated efforts of beekeepers ensure that we can savor the extraordinary gift of honey. It's a true labor of love that connects us to the incredible world of bees. As we wrap up our sweet journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the bees and the beekeepers who make this all possible. And that wraps up our buzzing adventure into the captivating world of honey production. From the industrious bees to the diligent beekeepers, we've witnessed the remarkable journey from flower to jar. So, next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember the incredible teamwork and nature's sweet alchemy behind it. Thanks for joining us, and remember to stay curious.